Let us see some simple examples in action to understand callbacks and asynchronous function in JavaScript using a function called as setTimeout. The function setTimeout in JavaScript is an asynchronous function that postpones the execution of another function for certain amount of time specified in milliseconds. This function setTimeout can be used in web applications to implement slideshows, to show or hide pop-up dialogues after a certain amount of time, etc. So let's get started with a simple example to understand this function. So the function is setTimeout that accepts a function. So let us have an anonymous function and as a second argument we specify the time in milliseconds, say 5000 or 5 seconds. So this function passed as the parameter or argument will be executed after 5 seconds when setTimeout is called. So after 5 seconds, let us print a message to the console. Alright, now before the function setTimeout is called, let us also print a message to the console, say hello. And within the function, let us print a message, say I am done. And outside the setTimeout, let us do a console.log and print hello again. Alright. So let us execute this script. Node file name. Notice the message hello again is printed immediately after the message hello. And after 5 seconds, we should get I am done, but we have an error here. So let us see what is that error. Console is not a function in line 5. Yeah, in line 5, it is console.log. So I'm sorry for that. So let us execute the script again. So we can see hello again printed immediately after the message hello, and after 5 seconds we get I am done. That is because the function passed to setTimeout is executed after 5 seconds. And the function setTimeout is an asynchronous function, and hence the execution of the statement after this setTimeout function continues. Alright, and once the execution of the setTimeout is over, it prints the message I am done. Alright, so let us see another example to get a much better understanding of asynchronous function. So let us comment this code. And let's have a variable name, say A. And initialize it to a value, say 10. And print that variable. Alright, so A is A. Now let us call setTimeout with a function that changes the value of A and prints that value after 5 seconds. So setTimeout, then we specify a function which is anonymous, and then let us call this function after 5 seconds. And within the function, let us change the value of a, sorry, not x, a to say 100, and then print the value of a again. So a is now a. Alright, and outside set timeout, let us print the value of a again. A is a. Alright, now guys, what do you think is the output? We print a and then we have a function which modifies the value of a and then we print a again. Alright, so let us run this code. There is an error in line 15 which says console is not a function. Yeah, console is not a function. It is console.log. So let us run the script again. We see that the value of a is 10 even outside of the function sets timeout. Yeah, the value of a changes to 100 only after 5 seconds when the callback function is executed by the function set timeout. Alright. Also, please remember that if there are many set timeout asynchronous functions within a script, and with each function changing the value of a, the order of execution of the functions may be different, or the order is not guaranteed. Now this is applicable not only for set timeout, but it is applicable for any asynchronous functions. For example, say let us have a couple of set timeout functions within which we modify the value of a. So this time say a is equal to 200. Let us have one more set timeout. This time say value of a as say 300. Alright, so if you have a script wherein there are many asynchronous function calls, the order of execution is not guaranteed. In order to maintain the order, the asynchronous function must be nested. So what you generally do is you nest the function calls. So you take this and you nest it within the first function call. Alright. And similarly, we have one more, so we can take this out and nest it here. Alright, so we have a set timeout function which contains nested set timeouts so that the order is maintained and hence guaranteed. Okay, so let us run this function now. Sorry, run this code now. Node test.js. A is 10, A is 10, and then after 5 seconds we get A is now 100. After the next 5 seconds we get A is 200. After the next 5 seconds we get A is 300. Alright guys, so in this session we understood callbacks and asynchronous functions using the function set timeout in JavaScript. Thank you.